Hello friends, here is a simple tutorial for how to convert a single cell data separated by comma into a meaningful tabular data in Excel file. Here the Excel file what we have mentioned here. The data's header and its corresponding data are inserted in a single cell separated by commas. So one data in the big data in a single cell, which is separated by the commas. First of all, let us consider the header file. This is a header file. It's a long header file, and we have to convert into a tabular form. So first you click into the cell, select the cell or ranges of cells, then go to the data group. Click the data group, then there you get the text to columns button. So click on the text to call buttons. So there is one window showing delimit fixed width. Some selecting points are there. You just click on the select delimited, then click on next. Mm, then another window that is convert text to column wizard. Step 2 of 3. There is delimiters, tab, semicolon, comma, space, and other. Here in our file, the all data are separated by the commas. So I will click on the comma and I will put a tick mark on comma. Then again I'll go to the next and finish. So see that all the data which is separated by the comma in the single cell is now spread over the cells in the row. So this is the header files. So similarly, we can select the all um, our cells, means range of cells, just a single selection with all this range of cells. Then we go to the data and the text to columns and delimiters, selecting the comma and the next finish. Now you see this is the meaningful. This is a meaningful um, tabular data which is having a header and corresponding columns and rows.